Ever stared at your Pocketguard app, wondering if it's secretly pulling in all those tempting credit card purchases without you lifting a finger? You're not alone. It's a question that pops up for many Pocketguard users, especially when trying to get a clear picture of their spending habits. After all, who wants to manually input every single coffee, online shopping spree, or dinner out? The short answer is, yes, Pocketguard absolutely can automatically import your credit card transactions. In fact, this is one of its core features and a huge time saver for managing your finances. Instead of tediously logging each expense, Pocketguard connects directly to your financial institutions, your banks, credit card companies, and even investment accounts, to pull in your transaction data seamlessly. Think of it like this: Pocketguard acts as a central hub for all your financial activity. Once you securely link your accounts, it does the heavy lifting of gathering all your income and expenses, categorizing them, and presenting them in an easy-to-understand format. This automatic import is what allows Pocketguard to give you those insightful overviews of your spending, track your progress towards your financial goals, and even identify potential savings opportunities. Now, you might be wondering about the how. Pocketguard uses secure connections and encryption protocols to communicate with your financial institutions. When you set up your account, you'll be guided through a process of selecting your banks and credit card providers and entering your login credentials for those services. Pocketguard then uses this information to establish a secure, read-only connection. This means it can view your transactions but cannot make any changes to your accounts. Your sensitive financial information is protected with robust security measures, giving you peace of mind while enjoying the convenience of automatic transaction tracking. But what if you prefer a bit more control? Pocketguard offers options here too. While the default is automatic syncing, you might have the ability to adjust the frequency of updates or even manually refresh your accounts if you prefer. Keep in mind, though, that delaying updates might mean your Pocketguard overview isn't as real-time as it could be. So, to recap, if you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep tabs on your credit card spending and get a holistic view of your finances, Pocketguard's automatic transaction import is a game-changer. It eliminates the manual data entry and provides you with the insights you need to make smarter financial decisions. It's all about connecting once and letting the app do the work of keeping your financial picture up to date. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.